County in north-central New Mexico, northwestern Sandoval County in north-central New Mexico, northeastern McKinley County in west-central New Mexico, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:52 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the area from near Ojo Encino to Torreon and Cuba. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area, or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cuba, Torreon, Navajo Mission, Ojo Encino, Regina, Torreon, and Laura. This includes the following highways: Highway 550 between mile markers 55 and 77. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Rio Arriba and Sandoval. Flood advisory has been replaced with a flash flood warning. The flood advisory is replaced by a flash flood warning for portions of north-central and west-central New Mexico.